Part 2 of the GTR.
Perfect.
Part 2 of trying to fit parts in the GTR. Damn, it fits literally perfect. That's crazy. I did not think that was gonna fit.
2 boxes later.
What do you guys think that is? I'm gonna let you guys guess right now. Well, that fit. I really didn't think I was gonna fit. We just made it to the homie Brandon's house. Look at this thing. Sheesh. Got the homie's R8, GTR, and then his GTR. That's goals, bro. You got a GTR and the R8.
I know.
That's what I'm trying to do next year, maybe.
Let's go for a spin.
I'm down. Look at this. Damn, you guys remember this one when I got gapped by him? I'll play that footage right now. His GTR is quick. But yeah, we raced him before. His GTR is super fast. Upgraded turbos. The fast boys trunk right there. I heard this trunk just makes you faster, bro.
Dude, 10 horsepower.
The trunk looks so sick. Look, guys, he threw me the keys.
Like a car that you can't die in this thing.
All right, guys, I guess we're gonna whip the R8 today. I didn't expect to drive this today, but you know what? I'm down. I can't say no. Damn. The seats are crazy. Oh, yeah, the whole roof?
Yeah.
The whole ceiling?
Blue stitching.
Damn, dude, this shit is crazy. I'm scared.
It's fun, don't worry.
You already put an exhaust on here or no?
Yeah, it's Capristo. And hit this button right there.
Performance. Uh-oh. All right, guys, we're gonna drive the R8. Bro, this thing sounds crazy.
Dude, just wait.
I know, I was like, there's no way this is stock, bro. This shit sounds so loud.
So I originally bought it not knowing it had an upgraded exhaust.
Oh, it came with it?
And then I got a call when it was on the trailer. They're like, hey, by the way, it actually has full Expel and a Capristo exhaust. So I'm like, what? No way I get all
This
that
shit
for
sounds
free,
insane.
basically.
I think my favorite part is the dash, bro. That shit looks crazy.
Yeah, so like everything is through that. It's whack.
It's so sick. I can step on it?
Yeah. So go out here to the right.
That's so nice. The next car, guys. My next win? You missed the GTR though? Or not really?
I mean, every now and then. I mean, it's still there, so I get to drive it, you know?
But do you want to drive it? Or you'd rather just drive it?
Dude, I would rather drive this. I go right and then just fucking punch it.
Alright, you said it. I've never stepped on it in V10 in my life.
Hit it.
Yeah, that shit sounds great. Bro, it sounds so sick.
Yeah, it does feel nice.
Feels new, bro.
The bumps too, everything's so smooth in this car. I was blown away. You flip right around here and then just flip a Yui.
Oh, here?
And then, no, next one. No, you're good.
Yeah, the brakes are
Carbon
sensitive.
ceramics,
Oh,
yeah.
I barely stepped on it. No, but dude, it's not even that loud in here, but from the outside.
No, from the
when you were
outside.
Next to me, I was like, holy shit, it's so fucking loud.
The outside, it's different, man. After you whip this, just stop and launch it real quick.
Sure.
Yeah. Just smash the brake and smash the gas. Oh, again.
Bro, I'm literally turning with one hand.
I know.
It's so like...
Dude, it wants to keep going too.
Like it feels planted, dude.
Yeah.
It's so fun.
You can left here or you can keep going, either one.
Yeah, bro, that shit sounds good.
It's coming for you.
We're not doing nothing. We're not speeding. Bro, it's so sick. Thank you for letting me drive it.
Of course, man, of course.
Bring another one.
Oh my god.
Good thing
And we
got it.
just launched it right there too.
This has to be my next car, I think. It's so nice too, like it's just so nice in here. Damn, dude. Yeah, we launched it, but there was so many cops. I don't know how we didn't get caught, but damn, that thing is so sick. So much fun to drive. And it looks so good. This color is so crazy.
Yeah, dude.
It's like the perfect color, I think.
More gray.
It's almost like Nardo gray, but it has like a blue in it. Goals. Imagine, guys, 2 of them in my garage. Maybe next year. That was like the first V10 I ever driven. Like I've driven a Huracan up the street once, but I've never stepped on it like that. He wanted me to step on it, so I did. Dude, if I had both, I don't know which one I would take out.
R8.
I would probably take the R8 out a lot more often. It doesn't even sound that loud inside, but from the outside, that shit is crazy. It's so freaking loud, bro. My ear. I think so. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. So as you guys saw in the last clips, we actually stopped at the homie Brendan's house and picked this thing up. A lot of you guys could probably already guess what that is, but it's a carbon fiber trunk for the GTR. Just like the homies, you guys saw his GTR in the garage. It looks so freaking good. After I saw his GTR, I was like, I need that trunk, bro. It's gonna look so sick. So shout out to Brendan because he actually got us this trunk for the GTR. It's so freaking awesome. I can't wait to throw it on. So everyone go to his Instagram right now. Tell him thank you because this thing's gonna look sick and we're about to be twinning. And right now we're on the way to 412 and we're gonna get it installed. I'm super excited. I'm a little bit nervous because I know a lot of people like this carbon fiber wing that's on the car right now. This car is actually the black edition, so it comes with the carbon fiber, the dry carbon fiber spoiler. So it's a little bit sad to get rid of it, but I can always switch it off and on. And I think it's gonna look pretty sick, honestly. I know a lot of fast GTRs take off the wing. So as soon as you put like this trunk on, the car just looks faster. But I'm excited to change it up, change up the look. But we're gonna stop at Home Depot real quick because a lot of people who have got this trunk has told me to get new bolts for the trunk. I guess like the OEM bolts are super weak and they strip easily, so we're gonna get new bolts for the GTR. I just stopped at Home Depot, got the bolts that I think we need. I think these are them. I saw a video, somebody said they were these, so hopefully it works. Just in case we strip out the original bolts. Oh my God. All right guys, we made it. Made it 412. The GTR's in here. And look at this thing. Charles already unwrapped it. And it's so freaking nice. Full carbon fiber, dude. But that's just gonna be crazy.
$1,000.
I know, that's what I heard. Guys, I heard this wing's $15,000 OEM. If you want to get it from the dealer. But it does look good. I'm gonna miss it, but I can always switch it back out if I really, really wanted to, but I think I'm gonna love the carbon trunk. Look at the carbon, bro. Oh my God. I still have my lowering springs in here. The old ones.
I like how
Alright guys, one of them did strip.
so fucking fast on the highway, but actually it's slow.
It's gonna look faster with the trunk. So yeah guys, one did end up stripping like we thought. Thank God we got new bolts.
You got a new bolt?
I think this is the one, I don't know. This is the one that guy showed me in the video.
You saved literally 95 pounds. 15 grand, my ass. No, I just deal with it. 15 grand?
Look at this thing, guys. This shit's gonna look crazy. Oh my God. Does it look cool?
If it closes, it doesn't open again.
I know.
Bro, don't fit. Bro, it's gonna look way different. It looks way different. Oh my God, bro. Now it looks like a fast ass GTR.
Same shit.
Alright guys, next we gotta take out this cord so that we can open and close the trunk still. So BMW, getting a tune. That was pretty quick, probably like 30 minutes, if that. Looks like a little skateboard ramp right here. Damn, dude. It's gonna be weird to get used to, but I wanna see it outside or on the street. It's done. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. It doesn't need a car wash again, because I've driven so much, but look how it looks with no wing. It's way different. It's a lot of getting used to, honestly. I'm like 50-50 on it. Like I'm telling you guys, I like this trunk a lot, but I also love the carbon fiber wing. So it's hard to switch onto this, but it just looks like a completely different car. I wish I was able to like switch them both out every single day, but I still have the trunk, I still have the wing, so if I ever want to throw it back on, I could. But let's rock it like this for a bit. I think it looks sick. It looks mean. It looks different. For the back, bro, this shit looks crazy. It just looks like a fast-ass GTR. Holy shit. Anyways, guys, comment down below. What do you guys think about the new trunk? Yes or no? I think it's gonna be a lot of mixed reviews about it. It does look pretty crazy though. I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't even look like my GTR anymore. It looks so different from when I first bought this car. Guys, look what just pulled up. Oh my god, dude. You guys all know this is my absolute dream car right here. The Aventador SV. This is literally all I need, guys. Once I get this car, I don't need any other car. No other car, bro. And I guess this guy right here, Q Banks, he has 3. This is his 3rd one. I guess he shipped them all from Florida just to drive them around LA for a bit. But this thing is crazy. Slammed Aventador SV. They look good in any color too. But you guys all know, if I got one, it had to be black, all blacked out, or else all red. It would look sick. Sheesh. Sheesh. Those TikToks. But that shit is crazy.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Boy, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that.